What's the meaning of billionaire? Billionaire. Billionaire.
Billionaire. Billionaire. A billionaire is an individual who has a net worth of at least $1 billion. This means their assets, such as property, investments, and personal wealth, exceed $1 billion. Billionaires are often associated with extreme wealth and luxury lifestyles, since they have the financial resources to afford anything they desire. Many billionaires have garnered their wealth through entrepreneurship, investing, or inheritance. They are often philanthropists, donating money to charitable causes and foundations. Being a billionaire also comes with great responsibility and public scrutiny, as their actions and decisions can have far-reaching impacts on society and the world economy.